Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to show you a tutorial on how to show icon mic on the keyboard on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, as we know together that voice typing is what make it easy for us to write if you are lazy to write using the keyboard guys. Then from that we need a mic icon on the keyboard. And to bring it up, it's quite easy and I will show you how. Okay, first thing first, I will show the keyboard and you can see that there is no icon mic. And to show it off, you can click on the icon settings over here and then you can go to voice typing guys. So now you can activate use voice typing, and now let's check together on the keyboard. So yeah, the icon mic is now appearing on the keyboard, and now I will try to type using this voice typing guys. And yeah, it works guys. And here's the tutorial on how to show icon mic on the keyboard on Infinix Smart 8. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. And thank you so much for watching.